Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest job updates to help you achieve your dream career. Today I've got an exciting opportunity for all freshers out there. IBM is hiring associate system engineers. Let's dive into the details and discuss not only the job requirements but also some golden tips to help you crack this role. Job details. First things first, let's talk about the job location. IBM is hiring all over India. Here is a list of the locations where you can work. Major cities like Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, and many more, covering almost every state. Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Delhi, and Odisha. If you are flexible with locations, this is a golden opportunity to apply. Roles and responsibilities. As an associate system engineer, your key responsibilities will include participating in all phases of the software development lifecycle from design and coding to implementation, testing, and support. Creating software solutions that empower your clients' hybrid cloud and AI journeys. Working with cutting edge technology to deliver high performing, responsive, and maintainable applications. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Let's now look at what skills and qualifications you need for this role. Eligibility criteria. This is an entry level off campus hiring, so it's perfect for 2024 graduates. The required qualifications include degrees BE BTech, ME Montana Ec, dual degree, Mississippi C, MCA from CS, IT, or related branches. Minimum academic score 6.0 CGPA or 60%, including all elective and optional subjects. Make sure to calculate your percentage carefully. For example, if you scored 60 out of 100, divide 60 by 100 to ensure you meet the criteria. Required skills. IBM is looking for candidates proficient in programming languages like Java, CGA1, GA1, Python, or Node.js. Strong understanding of software development lifecycle (SDLC). In addition, they are seeking individuals with problem solving skills, excellent interpersonal and communication skills, both written and spoken, a knack for analytical thinking. If this sounds like the perfect opportunity for you, don't wait. Click on the Apply Now button and submit your application right away. Remember, competition is tough, so the sooner you apply, the better your chances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more job updates, share it with your friends who are also looking for jobs. If you have any questions about this role or the application process, drop them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help.